अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान जुनैद अली ख़ान और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल जिसमें हम टेक्निकल वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं। तो काफ़ी कुछ खुद सीखते भी हैं और आपको सिखाते भी हैं। तो आज की वीडियो में भी हम आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाने वाले हैं चैप्टर 2 के अंदर, जो कि कंप्यूटर का है, ठीक है। और एक्सप्लेन 1NF एंड 2NF एंड 3NF डॉट, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म 1NF, a table or a relational is said to be in 1NF if it is automatic. I dot E dot it should not contain any repeating group in any row or column of the table. Each of the table contain only one value. To convert the table into repeating values are decomposed into separate row, column or table. Second normal form 2NF, a table or a relational is said to be in 2NF if it is in 1NF and each known key attributes entire primary key. Purpose of 2NF is to eliminate partial key dependencies to convert table in 1NF into 2NF. The non-key attributes which are not function dependent on the primary key are decomposed into separate table. Third normal form 3NF, a table or a relational is said to be in 3NF if it is in 2NF and transitive dependency does not exist. Every non-key attribute should not be transitively dependent on the primary key. To convert the table in 2NF into 3NF, the non-key attributes which are transitively dependent on the primary key must be decomposed into separate table. और इस पे आज उसके बाद आ जाता है 14 नंबर पे, व्हाट इज MS Access, राइट इट्स कंपोनेंट्स। MS Access is a powerful RDBMS, relational database management system, developed by Microsoft and can be used to store and manage large data. Components: number 1 table, number 2 form, number 3 query, number 4 reports. 15 पे आ जाता है हु इज डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर DBA, राइट रोल्स ऑफ DBA। A database administrator DBA is a person responsible for making strategic and policy decisions regarding data and the database, as well controlling all the operating of database. DBA provides necessary strategic and technical supports for the implementation. Roles: number 1 design the database, number 2 monitor the database and its performance, number 3 design and implement the security policies, number 4 define the backup and recovery process of the database। और नंबर 16 पे आ जाता है व्हाट इज द सेंट्रलाइज्ड डेटाबेस, राइट इट्स एडवांटेजेस। In a centralized database system, database is stored and maintained in a single central location. It works on the basics of client-server technology. Advantages: number 1 data and database are secured, number 2 data redundancy is minimized, database maintenance इज़ ईजी। और नंबर 17 पे आ जाता है व्हाट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस, राइट इट्स एडवांटेजेस। Distributed database system is system store data on several computers and databases located at different places. It facilitates easy access of data from any location and need more computer resources. Advantages: number 1, easy access of data from any location. Number 2, failure of computer or database won't affect system. Number 3, data access is easy. उसके बाद आ जाता है 18 पे, जो कि लास्ट टॉपिक है, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन domain describes the set of possible values for a given attribute and it can be considered as a constraint on the value of the attribute. Tuples. A tuple is a complete row of the table. It is also called as a record. SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL uses simple English and mathematical statements for designing and database operations. It is a common language used in most of the databases. DML. DML, Data Manipulation Language, is a database language used for database operations such as inserting, accessing, updating, deleting data, etc. DDL. DDL stands for Differential Language. DDL is a database language used for specifying contents and structure of database for defining the schema for database. उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।